Welcome, guys. If you are watching this, it means you've made my decision to be here. Um, Not to learn more marketing courses, but to finally put a system that sells for you. That is the major reason why you've clicked or you joined this program. Let's be very clear from the word go. This is not a theory course. This is not a motivation program. And this is definitely not another watch and forget training. So this program exists for one reason, only just one reason, to help you build a working AI-powered sales and marketing system that attracts leads, follow up automatically, and convert consistently without you chasing every day. Yeah. So some of us may have asked, what's this program all about? So this program, but before then, right now, most creators, coaches, and small businesses have the same problem. They have common problem. They post content, they get likes, and sometimes they even get leads or followers. But there's no follow-up, there's no structure, there's no predictable sales. So this is what this program fixes. So by the end of the program, you will have a lead capture system, a CRM that tracks every prospect, automated email and WhatsApp follow-up, AI assistants helping you write, score, and respond to leads, and a clear pipeline that moves people from interest to payments. In short form of it, a sales system that works even when you are offline. So who is this program for? Let's get something out of the way. This program is specifically for beginners who wants clarity, not confusion, a creator and a coach tired of manual follow-up, a digital entrepreneur who wants automation without coding, a small business owners that want structure instead of chaos, and you do not need tech scale, big audience, expensive software, or a sales team. So what you need is willingness to learn and follow step, consistency, and the discipline to implement, not just to watch. Yeah. So if you are here just to see how it goes, this program will expose you. But if you are here to build, you're mostly welcome. So what are the outcomes? What do we get out of this program? The core transformation. Here, the transformation we are targeting are, or is not limited to, or rather, you have to start the program with a lead scattered everywhere. Yeah, that is your situation right now. A message you forget to reply, a cell depending on your mood and energy. So you finish this program with a clear funnel, one CRM that tracks everything, and then automated follow-up running daily, clear visibility of who is interested, who is warm, who is ready to buy. You will stop asking question, why aren't people responding? Why aren't my sales consistent? And then you'll start asking very important question. How do I increase conversion by 10% next week? Which part of my funnel do I need to optimize? So these are questions you need to be asking once you've killed in, right? So let's look at the responsibility you will have as a student. Like I said earlier, this program will work only if you do the following, which is your responsibility. You have to watch its lesson, complete practical tasks, ask questions when you are stuck, implement before moving on. So if you do all that, you will finish with something most people never built, a predictable sales engine. So what next? In the next lesson, in module 1, we will map you out the entire AI system from traffic to payments on one simple diagram. No tools yet, no tech overwhelm, just clarity. Let's build together. See you on the other side.